topic is development of lateral surface of the solids. This is directly related to the sheet metal work that we did in the last semester, that is in the workshop. Engineering workshop, we were doing, we did a thin sheet, right? There, you have drawn a diagram. So how much sheet we have to take? A rectangular sheet we have cut from the bigger sheet. Let's say you made a rectangular sheet. If for rectangular sheet, how much sheet you have taken? A rectangular sheet of some 150 mm by 110 mm rectangular sheet you have taken, and you have drawn some lines on it, and you have cut it accordingly, and small pieces were removed, and then you just bent it using the stakes and mallet and all that, right? To get that rectangular shape. That means you will be in development of lateral surfaces. You will be finding the area of the sheet required to make that particular solid. So it is directly related to that. There are so many applications. Applications have been narrated there and explained there. Okay, whatever bus bodies, cylinders, containers, all these are comes under that. This sheet metal work, we have let me take the example. To put it simple, it's a simple topic. Even in terms of examinations, let's say, it's a scoring topic, very simple topic. You can easily understand, you can easily depict it on the drawing sheet. So, be cool and put 100% on the topic. Now, this is cylinder. This is cylinder. In order to make this, we need this much sheet. In order to make this, and we will be attaching these two. There is some soldering, all that. We will do that in the workshop, but there are so many techniques to join it. One main system we have done this, folded a little bit, and we have attached them so that they do not get detached, right? So this is the way. So in order to make this in the lateral surfaces, we need this much sheet. That means we cut along one of its generators and we lay it on the flat face like this. So this is the sheet required to make the cylinder. Remember this, we will be dealing with the finding of a sheet or developing the lateral, we call this as developing the lateral surfaces. So development of lateral surfaces, we will be going for something, let's say full solids, cut solids, and that also will be there. How we have discussed the sections of solids. So full solids, cut solids, and sometimes solids with some holes. Holes may be of circular holes, hexagonal holes, square holes, whatever. All this we will be doing. Unit 4, and only one topic is there in this. The other topic has been excluded even for your senior. And before that it was there, and slowly because student-friendly syllabus, so they are excluding important topics from the syllabus. That is another story. So let us go for it. So how to draw this? You have to draw the projections. So keep this in mind and let us go for it. And there are 4 methods of development. One is stretched out parallel line method. Stretched out parallel line. Continue to write this. When I am writing here, it is simple. You can listen and write simultaneously. That is the purpose of sitting here and make running notes. I do not give any dictations here. Stretched out parallel line method. Second one is radial line development method. And third one is triangulation method. And fourth one is approximation method. And this also, these two have been never there in our syllabus of this topic, right? Eventually, only these two are there. And broadly, we will be using this to develop prisms and cylinders. Both full cylinders, full solids, and as well as cut solids. And this one is for cones and pyramids. So as we discussed the method or as we discuss the specific problem, you will come to know why this is needed. Stretched out parallel line method and radial line method. Depending upon the step-by-step procedure, these needs have been given. So this will be simple. As we discussed in cylinder, so we'll be drawing the projections first. Because it may be full solid or cut solid. So let's say cylinder is standing like this, always this goes according to at least when we consider our syllabus. Again, let me show it again. Please give it